This is Realme X2. The smartphone launched September 2019. After more than 2.5 years, should you have to buy in 2022? Find out in this video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Starting with the phone design and the build quality. So when it comes to design, I think Realme did a great job. I really like this phone design look like. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back with plastic frame. So overall Realme X2 build quality is okay. The Realme X2 has a really high quality 6.4-inch Super AMOLED 60Hz screen with a resolution 1080 into 2340 pixel, and this is 84.3 skin to body ratio. So overall the smartphone display is so good. Now let's talk about the OS and the processor. Right now the smartphone running Android 11 with Realme UI 2, and the smartphone comes with Snapdragon 730G CPU using octa-core 2x2.2 GHz GPU using Adreno 618 with a 4 and 6 and 8 GB RAM variant with UFS 2.1. The phone performance is so good. There is no problem performing everyday tasks such as calling, texting, browsing, watching YouTube and things like that. It can easily handle pretty good. And at the same time you also play any type of game in a medium graphics and very high frame rate. Let's move on the camera section. The Realme X2 comes with quad camera setup, 64 MP main lens with 1.8 aperture, 8 MP ultra wide with 2.3 aperture, 2 MP macro with 2.4 aperture, 2 MP depth with 2.4 aperture, and the front single 32 MP selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120fps, 240fps and 720p 960fps super slow-mo video, and the phone video quality is so good. Overall the camera quality is so good. You can get pretty much good photo with a lot of details, and the phone picture quality and sharpness is so good. And at the same time you also use Gcam to take a better photo with your Realme X2. Now talk about the security. You can get under display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both one is speed very fast and secure. The smartphone powered by 4000 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charger. So overall you can get almost 1 day battery backup. So overall the Realme X2 is still a pretty good phone. You can easily buy the phone in 2022. Okay, this is all about Realme X2 full review in 2022. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you to another video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.